The Finding the Good project, led by Lloyds Bank Foundation and Cwmpas, is all about exploring how commissioning can be done well so that the people across Wales can get the services they need. Many people in our communities experience a postcode lottery when it comes to accessing services and are unable to get the support that they really need. We know, though, that everyone involved in this Finding the Good project want to level the playing field and make sure that our public services meet the needs of everyone in our communities.
More than 150 people from 100 different organisations came together in spring 2025 to strengthen cross-sector dialogue with people from the third and public sectors. CVCs and charities led local commissioning conversations in South West Wales, North Wales, Cardiff and in Merthyr Tydfil, each one with its own local flavour, but all focused on finding the good. These conversations led to positive connections and actions.
100% of participants reported that they had made new connections with people in a different sector and deeper connections with people in their sector. From 7 local conversations and 1 Pan Wales reflection event, over 40 actions were committed to. When people listen to each other and follow up with actions, positive progress is possible.
We were part of the commissioning conversation, which has been convened by Lloyds Bank Foundation and Cwmpas, and in partnership with Barvo. It was really great to come together to share good practice, able to share our experiences and gain the benefit of others. So that would include both the local councils, local health boards at the regional level with the partnerships, and also really importantly at a national level. And we know that WCBA and other partners are coming on board, but there's probably never been a more important time with the new legislation coming through.
So we were lucky enough to be invited to our local commissioning conversation. It meant that we could join together with Lloyds Bank Foundation and also Cwmpas and other local providers from our area. And for us as planning and commissioning officers in adult social care for Wrexham, it was really helpful for us to have all of those people in the same room at the same time. It was really helpful for us to understand some of the challenges that they were facing. So as a result of that, we've actually decided to do 2 things which are actually linked. The first was that we decided that actually what we needed to do was listen to what our providers were saying and that they needed a bit more time. So we really listened to that and took that on board. And then the other thing that we decided to do was actually that we needed more of these events. So we've linked in with Aval, another local organisation to us, and we will host an ongoing commissioning conversation. But we also wanted to make sure that people had enough time to execute the plans that they put in place. So we're really looking carefully at trying to make sure that we put enough time in place when we issue a contract so that all of our providers can make a meaningful impact with the work that they're doing.
It is plain to see that meaningful cross-sector dialogue can be a powerful catalyst for action. As a funder, Lloyds Bank Foundation understands that it can be challenging for cross-sector partners to find the time and resource to meet regularly, especially small organisations. Our hope with this Finding the Good project was to enable that much-needed dialogue to help strengthen relationships and shape positive practice.
Commissioning is a powerful tool, and with worsening inequality across Wales, now is the time to come together and shape future practices for the better.